Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitza Batcher, and I am an accredited seller of the MCA Home. So today, ang di-discuss ko sa inyo is mga sample computations natin para kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay po? Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel. So today naman, tara samahan niyo ako i-tulog kayo sa di-discuss ko sa inyo yung project updates for para kay Allegra Garden Place. Best Investments by Mitza Batcher, and I am an accredited seller of the MCA Home. Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So I hope na pala din nyo yung first video ko, yung construction update natin para kay Allegra Garden Place. So right now, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is yung computations natin for this month of April. Because here, meron pa rin tayong existing promo, yung summer sellout promo natin and yung step-up promo natin. So dalawang option siya. Yung sa isang option natin, that's the modified payment. So ito, matagal na po itong may ganitong promo, pero for this month, ito explain ko po sa inyo kasi mahaba rin yung payment term niya. So ang equivalent rin niya is payable siya ng 36 months eh. So ito medyo nagsistep, medyo ano lang siya, medyo parang nagla-lump sum lang siya, medyo tumataas lang siya, okay? Pero before ko discuss yung computation sa inyo, a quick information na tayo about this project. So Allegra Garden Place is located along Pasig Boulevard, okay? In Barangay Bagong Ilog, Pasig City. So kung nadadaan kayo sa flyover, Bagong Ilog flyover going to Market going to BGC, makikita niyo yan sa right side. So merong 5 buildings doon na nakatayo. Yung dalawang pinakamataas na building, that's Allegra Garden Place, okay? So for this project po, isang building, ito si Amina building, the first building consists of 56 residential floors, while yung second building natin hanggang 55 floors is Soraya building. Okay, so for this project, we're offering a studio unit, a 1-bedroom unit, a 2-bedroom unit, and a 3-bedroom unit. Okay, pero ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is si Amina building. Ito yung RFO building na natin. Ito, nandito ako sa lobby niya ngayon. So yun yung RFO building natin na meron tayong mga available na 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom units accordingly. Okay, but this is sizes, meron tayong 1-bedroom na 30 square meters, meron tayong 36 and 41 square meters, while sa 2-bedroom unit meron tayong 54 hanggang sa meron tayong 57 and meron tayong 16 square meters. Okay, and lastly sa 3-bedroom meron tayong 83 square meters. Okay, so ang di-discuss ko sa inyo na computation is yung 30 square meters na 1-bedroom natin, yung 54 square meters na 2-bedroom natin, and yung 3-bedroom na 83 square meters. Okay, so let's start first with the comparison. Okay, so this one, at first ito yung standard payment natin. Okay, so here ito yung pagka walang promo. So here with the MCA Homes, we require pagka RFO po, ready for occupancy, we require a 30% down payment, a spot down payment. Okay, so let's say for example, ang price is ito yung 1-bedroom unit natin na 5.6 million, yung 2-bedroom unit natin na 7.9 million, and yung 3-bedroom unit natin na 11.9 million. Okay, pero dun sa 30% down payment na yan, we're giving a 4% discount. So that's what good about this promo, because even though kahit na malaki yung down payment mo, malaki rin syempre yung discount na makukuha mo. Okay, so in the case of the 1-bedroom, may spot payment ka na 1.6. Okay, 1.6 million. Sa 2-bedroom unit, may spot down payment tayo na 2.2 million. And meron sa 3-bedroom unit, may spot down payment tayo na 3.4 million pesos. Okay, yun yung spot down payment po ninyo. Pero yung dapat ang remaining balance niyo dito, meron na kayong approval pagdating kay bank. Okay, kasi ano po ito, kumbaga may follow rin tayong schedule. So dapat upon the documentation, kompleto rin syempre. For you to be able to schedule yung pag-dress up ng unit and pag-turnover ng unit sa inyo. Okay? And then ito ngayon, now we go to the promo itself. Okay, so ito yung promo payment term number 1. Okay, so this is the step up promo. Okay, so dito nasi-split siya. Still 12% down payment pa rin siya, pero palaki siya ng palaki. So let's start with the first po na 3% down payment spread in 12 months. And then yung second naman, yung second term niya on the 13th month, dun naman yung 4% down payment in 12 months. Okay? And lastly, yung last na 5% down payment, spread siya all over 12 months. Okay, so kagandahan nito, sa simula magmaliit lang hanggang sa lumalaki siya. Okay? So let's say for example, ganun ulit. So 1 bedroom unit, 2 bedroom unit, 3 bedroom unit. Pero dito sa promo na to, wala siyang discount. Okay? Because ito, step up promo tayo kasi nagsimula ka sa mababa eh. So let's say for example, so 1 bedroom unit, 3% down payment less the reservation fee of 20,000. So ang net down payment niya is 150. That's the 3% down payment. So spread mo siya all over 12 months. So ang monthly down payment mo po will be at 12,500. Sa 2 bedroom unit, 3% down payment, ganun ulit. So for 12 months at 19,700. Sa 3 bedroom unit naman, 3% down payment. Ang monthly down payment ninyo for 12 months is at 29,900. Okay? And then on the 13th month, doon naman ngayon papasok yung 4% down payment natin. Okay? So ito, yung 4% na yon, equally divide mo pa rin siya, i-divide mo siya in 12 months. Babayaran mo siya in 12 months. Okay? So from 13th to 24th month, ito yung monthly down payment mo naman. So from 12,000, magiging 18,900 sa 1 bedroom. Sa 2 bedroom, magiging 26,300. Yan, from 19,000. Sa 3 bedroom unit naman, 39,800 from 29,900. So medyo lumaki siya kasi because naging 4% down payment na siya. And then, on the 25th month until the 36th month, doon napapasok yung 5% down payment natin. Okay? So sa 5% down payment natin sa 1 bedroom unit, ang monthly down payment natin would be at 23,700. Sa 2 bedroom unit at 32,941. And then lastly, sa 3 bedroom unit at 49,850. Okay? So yun po yung step up promo natin. And then the rest, yung remaining balance niyo na 88%, ito na yung magiging loanable amount natin. Plus the closing fees. Okay? So maximum yan ng 20 years, pwede rin 15 years, at pwede rin 10 years and 5 years. Okay? And then lastly, ito yung pinaka-flexible naman sa lahat. Ito yung kadalasan na ina-avail ng mga buyers natin. So 12% down payment in 36 months. So ganun pa rin, same term din, number of months doon sa option 1 natin. Pero dito ganun din. Pero dito po, one time lang siya at 12% down payment. Equally spread mo siya in 36 months. Okay? And then yung remaining balance mo na 88%, yun na yun ilo-loan natin kay bank. Okay? So for example, sa 1 bedroom unit na 30 square meters, ang price niya is 5.6 million. So 12% of that is at 675,000. Less natin yung reservation fee. Ang net down payment natin at 655,000. So yun na yun, equally divide natin into 36 months. So for 36 months at 18,218, yun po yung magiging monthly down payment niyo for 36 months. And then yung remaining balance niyo na 88%, yun yung magiging loanable amount plus the closing fees. Well, the second bedroom, sa 2 bedroom naman natin na 54 square meters is nasa 25,000 a month naman siya. And lastly, yung 3 bedroom unit natin na 83 square meters, nasa 38,900 ang monthly down payment po natin. Okay? So yan. So dito po sa mga computations na to, meron pa tayong mas malaking unit size dito for the 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom unit. Again, if you want to know more about those computation, pag gusto nyo mapakompute, nandiyan yung numbers ko, naka-flash sa screen nyo, may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp, pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom. And also, pwede rin tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. Pwede ko kayo dalhin dito sa napakagandang project na to. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay ma-notify kayo. So, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.